Warning: to guarantee the stability and reliability of torque sensor component, separate the right to spool from the torque sensor component is forbidden. Before installation, open a 11 mm diameter hole under bottom bracket center, for threading the cable through the hole. Step 1. Install the left two spool clockwise. The tightening torque ranges from 35 Nm to 40 Nm. Step 2. After straightening out the cable, insert the cable and torque sensor component through the right side of bottom bracket. Route the cable through the hole under the bottom bracket center. Step 3. Install the left crank for easy assembly. The chain ring. Step 4. Install the chain ring. Tighten the nut counterclockwise with 35 Nm to 40 Nm torsion. Step 5. Install the right crank. Step 6. Install the cable protective sleeve. Connect the torque sensor terminal to controller terminal. Installation completed. The following is a demonstration of disassembly. Disassembly demonstration of bottom bracket torque sensor BBTS1 3. Warning: don't loosen, remove the left two spool during disassembly or lead to cable damage. Step 1. Separate the sensor terminal from controller terminal. Step 2. Dismantle the right crank. Step 3. Rotate the chain ring nut clockwise. Remove the chain ring. Step 4. Disassemble the left crank. Step 5. Rotate the right two spool clockwise. Take the torque sensor component out of the right side of bottom bracket. Meanwhile, draw out the cable from the hole. Step 6. Rotate the left two spool counter clockwise.